So generally, after mass concrete, we have to we have sealed the concrete surface for 7 to 10 days. Okay.
हाँ हाँ
If we are desheating the sealed surface after 14 days, then curing is required or not? Because
see
generally supplementary curing period is 10 to 14 days as per IS 456.
yes 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 yes
Yes, sir.
curing आप जितना करोगे उतना अच्छा है concrete keeps on hydrating till 28 days minimum.
Okay.
Okay. So there's no, again I say there's no rule by 10 days you have to stop the curing. If you are able to cure it, it is good for the concrete.
Okay. Okay.
हाँ जहां तक हाइड्रेशन कंक्रीट का चल रहा है आप उसको अगर क्योर कर व्हाट इज क्यूरिंग curing is people don't understand the definition of curing. Curing is the definition what the concrete technology says while
Yes.
making concrete. If I have added 175 liter per cubic meter in the concrete big design, that 175 liter should stay in the concrete till 28 days because my concrete requires those 175 liter. But if I
Yes. Yes.
don't cure the concrete, if I don't cool the concrete, the water from that 175 liter, if that evaporates, then it
Yes.
becomes dangerous. फिर कंक्रीट को पानी नहीं मिलता, then the concrete is thirsty.
Yes.
Actual
Yes.
idea of curing is this: that 175 liter ideally should remain in the concrete till 28 days minimum.
Okay.
That is
Yes.
curing.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
I
Thank
have a
you.
question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what is the proper slump requirement for the four?
Again, this is a site decision. We cannot we don't have any theory here. What are the reinforcement congestion you have in the raft? What is the spacing of the reinforcements? Whether you need SCC or you need flow concrete or a normal concrete will go. Again, those decisions I've told you know that slide number 10. The concrete designing decisions have to start minimum 3 to 4 hours before the actual pour of the raft of the mass concrete. ये सब आपको मीटिंग में उसमें बोर्ड रूम में डिसाइड कर लेना है. At what
Yes, sir.
temperature the TM has to be rejected. What happens is when the site at comes, sorry, it was 28, it is now 29. Should we allow? Should we not allow? Such minor micro things have to be decided beforehand. 29 के 30 आ गया मतलब रिजेक्ट होना है तो रिजेक्ट करना है इसको.
Yes,
These
sir.
type of micro planning has to be done before the pour starts. बाकी as I've said, in concrete there is in civil engineering there is no fixed rule. You have to look at the site, you have to look the present situation and take a decision, take a call.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, my question is, can we adjust the admixture doses as per our requirements, or we have to fix in the trials?
No. Everything is as per your requirement.
Okay.
In trial, if you put 0.8 percentage of admixture, but practically if you're seeing the concrete is behaving good in 0.7 percentage, you can change. Admixture and your aggregate
Yes.
content depending on your moisture corrections,
Yes,
that
yes,
can change here and there. We are sticking to the cement and the SCM contents.
Okay.
Your sand, your 10 mm, your 20 mm, उसका वाटर एब्जॉर्प्शन उस वक्त का मॉइस्चर कंटेंट के हिसाब से ग्रेडेशन के हिसाब से if you have got an oversized truck, still you cannot stick to your the same weight of say 650 kg of 20 mm. Then you have to reduce your 20 mm. आपका gradation change हो गया. We are not getting our raw material from factory. It is coming from the crusher. Similarly, that applies to the admixture. Normally, in a baby mixture, if you are using 0.8, normally it says in the plant you can use that easily up to 0.8. Because in baby mixer, revolutions are very slow. So the concrete behavior may differ. But in mixer, the concrete revolution RPMs are very fast. They are twin shaft mixers. तो
Yes,
वहां
sir.
पे concrete के अंदर mixing हो जाता है, जल्दी हो जाता है 20 उसमें. So there you can go for 0.8. That is the
Because
reason we talk of QC man should be standing at the plant TM. We should be looking at this plant.
okay, because some consultants are saying you have to fix your admixture dosage.
No,
You
no, no,
can't
no, no, no.
change that.
वो that is the myth ना.
Yes.
एक बार
Yes.
डिजाइन हो गया, थप्पा लग गया, उसी को यूज करो नहीं होता है ना. आपने 3 महीने 6 महीने पहले डिजाइन किया था, तब तक आपका सोर्स by many times it happens that the source of aggregate changes.
Yes.
Due to some reason, due to some landslide, your trucks from that particular quarry are not coming. Your source changes. तो आपको एडजस्ट तो करना ही पड़ेगा थोड़ा बहुत तो उसके अंदर।
सर और एक चीज है,
Yes.
बैचिंग करने के टाइम में जो भी मॉस कंक्रीट है, नॉर्मल कंक्रीट है, उसमें एग्रीगेट टॉलरेंस, वाटर सीमेंट रेशियो, वाटर का, सीमेंट का और टॉलरेंस पूरा है ना सर, एज पर आईएस और एसीआई, इधर इट हैज बीन एक्सीडर 1 or 2%. It was not convinced by our clients or consultants. For any convincing thing we can do it, sir, for that.
No, again you have to say na, again and again you take a screenshot of your 10262 cover.
Okay.
वो गाइडलाइन बोल रहा है. Again and again I'm repeating. IS code is your friend. One of my friends, concrete, very famous, one of the senior concrete technical रियाज पटेल का सेंटेंस है ये कि concrete is your friend. Talk to your concrete. उसको क्या चाहिए उसको वो दो यार, उसको ज्यादा मत दो, उसको कम मत दो. Don't keep it hungry or don't overfeed it. There is no rule. आपने ट्रायल ले लिया है, बट ट्रायल के बाद में अगर आपका मॉइस्चर कंटेंट आपका ज्यादा आ रहा है तो आपको 2-5-10 किलो बढ़ाना पड़ेगा. ग्रेडेशन थोड़ा आगे पीछे हो गया है तो थोड़ा बहुत आपको 10 mm बढ़ा के 20 mm घटा के आपको ग्रेडेशन तो मैच करना पड़ेगा ना. We are not getting our raw material from a factory made. They are not factory made. वो वेरिएशन आता है उसमें थोड़ा बहुत. You cannot help. Today passing would be different, even in the same heap of your aggregate. You take aggregates from one section and just 2 feet away you take aggregate. That will give a different sieve analysis.
Yes, sir.
So you have to take average of the thing. You have to take 3 जगह से लो, उसको mix करो, फिर आप उसका sieve analysis करो. Then you are more accurate. You know, the same heap will give you 10 types of sieve analysis. आप कैसे कंबाइंड ग्रेडेशन बनाओगे? एक एवरेज लेके चलना है, फिर उसका जो क्यूसी इंचार्ज साइट का है उसके टैलेंट पे चलता है कि क्या कम करना, क्या ज्यादा करना. देयर इज नो फिक्स्ड रूल. यस.
Good evening, sir. It was a wonderful session that we had till now. So I have two questions, sir. Here, what if we casted a raft of a large volume around 5,000 cubic meter and found to be failed compressive strength, and after NDT testing and course has also failed. This is the one practical scenario which we have faced in at one side, sir. So till now, no consultant has given any decision. This is a recently issue someone is facing. In our time, so they have consulted more than 10 plus concrete experts and also structure consultant, but no one has given a right decision to what to do right now. So they have extracted cores from 25 locations in the draft in different locations. So most of them are getting around 70% of the strength only, so not exceeding that. The age of concrete was right now 40 days.
See, biggest disadvantage we have, civil engineers, is our testing procedure is not accurate. That is where concrete maturity sensors are being pushed by many concrete technologies. Cube strength का आपका 50% भी reliability नहीं है. Then you take hammer test, उसका 30% reliability नहीं है. core का तो है ही नहीं. आपका अगर क्यूब फेल हो गया तो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गेट इट थ्रू योर कोर. बहुत मुश्किल है कंक्रीट को कोर से निकालना. आई ऑलवेज से क्यूब के ऊपर ध्यान दो. क्यूब का यू हैव योर बेस्ट ऑफ योर टेक्नोलॉजी, बेस्ट ऑफ योर हेल्पर टू कास्ट द क्यूब्स. अगर क्यूब फेल हो गया सिविल इंजीनियरिंग के अंदर कोर और हैमर में निकालना कंक्रीट को बहुत मुश्किल है.
Yes,
See, hammer, you are hammering at 10 strokes at a single point. That itself shows the reliability of that test.
Yes, sir, that value will be changing.
That hammer testing is giving the surface का hardness. अंदर स्ट्रेंथ आया नहीं आया वो नहीं बता रहा. आप यूपी भी कर रहे हो तो आपका वो कोहेसिवनेस ऑफ कंक्रीट बता रहा है, वो आपको स्ट्रेंथ नहीं दिखा रहा है. और आपको ड्रिल कर रहे हो, ड्रिल करते थोड़ा सा 1 सेकंड का वाइब्रेशन आ गया, हल्का सा माइक्रो क्रैक आ गया कोर के अंदर, वो आपका कुछ अलग रिजल्ट बता देगा.
Yes, sir. But we have seen a lot of things in different sites, sir. You will get at the core, but the unconvincible fact is that at 25 locations, the course has given to different top vendors like Bureau Veritas India Limited and some other top-notch laboratories they have given, but course has not got the strength, sir. So most of the laboratories are showing the same.
Yes. So now who will take the responsibility for 5,000 cubic meter concrete?
Yeah.
That's the call, ना? कोई नहीं
Yes,
लेगा ना? Nobody will take the responsibility. The structural engineer, the consultant, the PMC of the site, that is their baby. Now that's their call. एक्सटर्नल एजेंसी कोई आके नहीं बोलेगा जब आपका ट्यूब इज नॉट पासिंग, योर कोर इज नॉट पासिंग, इवन योर हैमर इज नॉट पासिंग.
Yes, sir.
Who will recommend to use that they will straight away say dismantle it. खत्म करो इसको.
Yes, sir. Because
Who will take the risk? Nobody
they
will take the
approached
risk.
a large institutes and topmost consultants, but no one has taken up this case. And
Yes, yes. It
mm,
happens. No, nobody will take the responsibility. In Ahmedabad, one of the bridges has been demolished totally.
oh,
The cube strength, the core strength was giving them 50 M15. Our argument
okay.
was in any bridge, some I would say पीटी तो हुआ होगा पोस्ट टेंसिंग तो क्यूब में ब्रिज में होता ही है. तो पीटी तो M35 कंक्रीट के ऊपर पोस्ट टेंसिंग होगा ही नहीं. हाउ डू यू गेट those M15 and M10 का क्यूब core results?
Yes, sir.
But because the results were not in favor, the bridge is demolished. 50 kg, 50 crore bridge is demolished.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is
That
very
is where-
similar that we will say. I would like to ask
Yes,
you.
that is where I'm talking of maturity sensors. Maturity sensor, we don't respect maturity sensors. Maturity sensors के अलावा आपको concrete का quality पता नहीं चलने वाला है. That 15,000 salary का बंदा helper coming from UP, Bihar, Bengal, we are depending on him to cast the cubes, and we don't know whether that UTM on which the cubes are tested, they are calibrated or not. There are thousands of permutations, combinations which can come into picture, and the cube failure can happen. A cube fail doesn't mean the concrete is bad, and a cube pass doesn't mean that concrete is good. Cube कोई indication है ही नहीं. Yes, see, Suresh Tripathi is again and again writing, know your concrete, know your concrete. So you have to know your concrete. That maturity sensor के बगैर आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा सर.
Yes, sir.
लेकिन unfortunate part क्या है कि maturity sensor nowhere in 4, 5, 6 is that. Previous 4, 5, 6 at least in NDT test they had mentioned. Now
Yes,
in the revised draft, concrete maturity का नाम ही नहीं है.
Yes, sir. I was
So
also
poor
looking for
fellows
that.
who are making concrete maturity sensors, they have converted themselves to a temperature monitoring people. They had 1.5 lakh का device काला temperature monitoring कर रहा है. Because nobody wants to go into the maturity. क्यों करेंगे maturity हम? पर आपका in situ concrete का strength तो कोई relation ही नहीं है ना. ट्यूब को आप लैब में क्योर कर रहे हो, क्यूरिंग टैंक में 28 दिन तक रखे हुए हो, उसको फिर टेस्ट कर रहे हो. वहां स्लैब पे किसने कंक्रीट किया, किसने वाइब्रेशन किया, किसने किया, हु नोज. इन दोनों का कोई कनेक्शन ही नहीं है. सॉरी टू से दैट ऑन द पब्लिक प्लेटफॉर्म, बट दैट्स अ फैक्ट. दोनों को कनेक्शन ही नहीं है. क्यूब कास्ट वहां पे हुआ, क्यूब का आपने क्यूरिंग 28 दिन किया. हु क्यूर्स द कंक्रीट फॉर 28 डेज? वो टीएम में किसी ने पानी डाल दिया है, वाइब्रेशन डला है, नहीं दिया, क्यूरिंग हुआ नहीं हुआ है, फिर आप वहां से कोर को पास करवाने जाते हो. कैसे होगा कोर वहां से पास? हो ही नहीं सकता, बहुत मुश्किल.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your
आपका क्यूब
valuable.
फेल हो गया मतलब यू आर गॉन. नहीं बचा सकते अपने आप को.
Yes,
यस
sir.
सर.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your insights.